Hello class, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Alan Shane at your service. Before we will start our discussion for today, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your loved ones. So our discussion for this video is about the relevance of accounting information to the stakeholders or the users of the financial or the accounting information. Sino-sino ba ang mga users ng financial statements? So, first, the users of financial information or the stakeholders. First are the primary users. So, sino ang mga primary users? The primary users include existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creditors. So, sila yung mga gumagamit or mga primary na gumagamit ng financial information or financial statements ng isang company. Next are the other users. Who are the other users? Those include employees, the customers, the government, and the public. Now, isa-isahin natin kung bakit ginagamit ng mga users ang financial statements. So, for the existing and potential investors. So, ang investors, yun yung mga owners of the company na gustong mag-invest sa iba't ibang company. Or kahit hindi pa sila owner pero gusto nilang mag-invest ng kanilang mga resources. So those are called the investors and shareholders. So bakit nila ginagamit ang financial statements? It's because they need the information to help them determine whether they should buy, hold, or sell. So with the presence of financial statements, they decide whether to invest more in the company. If makita nila that the financial statements is maganda ang financial statements, maraming income or mataas ang income ng isang company at maraming assets. So that's the time that they decide that they will invest more in the company, and especially if the company will give them good returns or divest their funds from the company, as well as if they feel that the company will earn adequate profits. But they will sell if kabaliktaran naman ang makita nilang result sa financial statements. Okay, so next is lenders and creditors. Who are the lenders? So the lenders, they are the one who lend money to companies such as financial institutions including banks. So sila yung nagpapahiram ng pera sa mga business owners. So, bakit nila kailangan ang financial statements? It's because they need information to help them determine whether their loans, interest, and other amounts owing to them will be paid when due. So, para malaman nila if the company na nag-ask ng loan ay makakabayad ng kanilang utang. Because sa financial statements, makikita ang balance sheet that ang nagbibigay ng information about the financial condition. If the assets ba ng isang company can pay the liabilities. Kasi kapag nakita nila na mas marami ang liabilities compare sa assets, so hindi nila i-grant ang loan ng isang company. Because alam nila na hindi makakabayad ang company. And they will also see the statement or the income statement para malaman nila whether the company is earning profit or not. So before disbursing loan to any company, the lenders and the creditors asked for the financials and projected financials so that they can analyze if their debts are secured and the chances of debts getting bad is very low or negligible. Next are the employees. Why do employees use financial statements? It's because the employees are the ones who are employed by the companies and in return they get salaries. They are interested in information about the stability and profitability of the entity. Bakit? It's because kapag ang company ay stable at saka profitable, ibig sabihin the company can be able to give the salaries of their employees as well as the bonuses and other benefits na kailangang ibigay sa empleyado. Kaya kailangan, if you are an employee, you have also to know the financial status of the company you are working with. Next are the customers. Why do customers use financial statements? So, by the way, sino ba ang customer? So, the customer is the person to whom the company sells the finished goods. So, even the customers are interested in the financial statements of the company from which they are purchasing the materials that is important for running their businesses to ensure continuous supply of goods or services. Kasi merong mga customers na bumibili ng product kasi ibinibenta din nila after. And that is the merchandising nature of business. So kapag alam nila na ang company na binibilhan nila ng product or ng supply ay maganda ang financial statements, ibig sabihin that company will give continuous supplies and goods to the customers. At saka tuloy-tuloy din ang kanyang sariling negosyo. Next are the government and their agencies. Why do government use financial statements? So, by the way, ano ba ang government? So, the government bodies, especially the authorities of the income tax department, they are interested in the financial position of the business for what? For taxation and regulatory purposes. Titingnan nila if that business is nag-pay ba ng tax and at the same time magkano ang binabayad na tax. Kasi ang gobyerno or the lifeblood of the government is the tax coming from the people and those companies na nag-ooperate sa isang lugar. Next is the public. Why do the public use financial statements? It's because the public are interested because it may assist them in providing information whether enterprises may make substantial contribution to the local economy and in many ways including the number of people they employ. So kapag nalaman nila that ang company, that certain company is nagbigay ng substantial contribution sa ekonomiya, so mas gusto nilang suportahan ang ganong company. And they can also know the number of people that the company employ and their patronage of local suppliers. So, kailangan ang public ay tumitingin din sa financial statements ng isang company. So, yun yung mga iba't ibang users of financial statements. We have two users, the primary users that includes investors, lenders, and other creditors, and the other users that include employees, customers, government, and the public. So, bakit ba kailangan ng investors ang financial statements? Para malaman nila whether they will hold, buy, or sell. Ang lenders, para malaman nila kung makakabayad ba ang company na nag-ask ng loan sa kanila. And for the other users, bakit nila kailangan? Sa employees, kasi ang company ang nagbibigay sa kanila ng salary at the same time the benefits and their bonuses. So customers, titingnan din nila if that company will supply their products or na may continuity ang supply ng kanilang product. The government for the tax and regulatory purposes, and the public if that company gives substantial contribution to the economy. So that's it for the users of financial information or stakeholders. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your loved ones. God bless!